Filipino employees. So since the CEO, Mr. Hamad Al-Mutairi, wants na yung mga supervisors and above should be Filipinos. Gusto niya yung fundamentals ng team ay Filipinos. So currently, we are looking for a tender specialist in which based on your CV ay you've been working on it for a lot of years already. And aside from that, you know planning engineering as well. Okay, so um, anything about Alawam? I know meron ka namang idea na about sa Alawam, di ba? Especially sa nangyari sa Nabatat at saka sa Alawam. Ikaw ba, sir, yung nag-work sa Alwaj before?
Yes, I have with Mr. Francis also. And most of his, pag may pinapagawa siya, sa akin na
Mm-mm.
pinapapunta. Tapos sa kanya sinisend sometimes.
Mhm. Okay. So ibig sabihin, Engineer Francis is asking your service as a freelancer also before?
No, just for free.
Yung before are related with Nabatat. Okay, yeah, understand. Okay, kasi si Engineer Francis kasi dahil nga wala kaming talagang gumagawa ng tendering dito sa office, nagbabayad din kasi siya ng freelance sometimes para sa tendering. Okay, so akala ko isa ka sa mga yon. Okay, so hindi pala. So, um, ayun lang sir sa side ko. And how about you naman sir? Ano bang trabaho ng tendering? Actually, wala akong ideya kasi wala akong background sa construction eh. And how can you help the company about this? Kasi especially sir ngayon, actually wala kaming planning engineer. Wala kaming tendering, gumagawa ng tendering dito aside from Engineer Francis. And others, we are just seeking for freelancers, ano
Mm.
lang, services.
Yeah,
So,
so
if ever na kukunin ka namin, ano kayang maitutulong mo sa company, sir?
marami. Marami.
Yan, good, maganda yan. That's good.
Actually, what I have did for the previous years is that, alam ko naman sa sistema niyo, yung direct connections lang ni Sir Francis, di ba?
Mm.
Yeah, so mga connections lang. But if you would apply some of the government agencies or government platform, pwede din tayong uh, tumira doon. So, as not hindi lang bilang subcontractor, but also a contractor so far. Because alam ko naman na
Mm.
may mga approval na kayo from Red Sea, so why not utilize those approval to get projects. So, aside from that, matutulungan ko naman din po lahat ng, kasi basically sa tendering, mag-estimate ka, gagawa ka pa ng schedule, gagawa ka pa ng sa QA/QC na side, lahat na yun. So, yun.
Okay, so ibig sabihin, sir, is willing ka naman na gawin yung lahat kasi actually yung tendering process based kay Manong Google ay marami pa siyang proseso. Like, magbibigay ka ng estimate until sa mag-start na yung project, lahat ng documentations and everything is part ng tendering.
Yes. Basically, gagawa ka ng, sa tendering, gagawa ka ng schedule, gagawa ka ng quality assurance policy, gagawa ka ng
Mhm.
safety. Talagang kung wala kayong safety, lahat-lahat ng documents kailangan sila na i-attach doon.
Yes po. And lahat ng ito, sir, ay willing ka naman na gawain.
Wala tayong choice.
Yeah, that's good.
Wala tayong choice. Trabaho.
Yes, correct. And aside from tendering, sir, you think you can do other jobs?
If you want me to handle a project, why not?
Oh, that's good.
Be, being a confident lang.
Let us see, sir. And you are a civil engineer, right?
Yes.
And actually, sir, our need of tendering specialists arise because actually from the history of the company, the company started with with the vision of getting subcontracting projects related to IT, like CCTV installations, firefighting equipment installations, and MEP.
Mm.
So, tingin mo sir, kaya mo ring gawan ng tendering documents yung mga subcontracting projects na related to MEP and CCTV installations, IT, mga gano'n?
Kaya naman yan. What we need from you is the trust na kaya mo gawin. Because pag lilimitahan mo yung scope, kasi sa tender, hindi natin malalaman kung anong project yan unless you read the documents. Tapos pag nandyan na, why not give it a try instead of rejecting it? So since we're looking for a project, so let's give it a try. So,
Mhm. Okay, that's good. Yes, sir. So, yung vision na yun about IT, it has stopped for a 1 year now na. So, but then, nandiyan na naman, marami na namang nag-offer ng projects and available jobs or available possible projects. So, kaya nag-arise ulit ito and so, that's why yung need ng tendering specialist arise this time. So, I just have a general questions about you, sir. Then afterwards, ipo-forward kita kay PM. You're asking who's the PM. Actually, hindi ko sure kung sino magi-interview sa'yo. Is it Engineer Francis or Louie? You met Louie before, for sure.
uh ewan ko lang kung si Sir Francis, wala nang pag-uusapan. Because he knows already.
Oo, yes, yes. Kaya tingin ko kasi dapat kasi talaga si Engineer Francis kasi tender list is in a company-wide job, hindi lang specific dun sa project ni Louie
Mhm.
sa landscaping. Pero tingin ko kasi kaya dapat si Engineer Francis yung mag-i-interview sa'yo. Pero tingin ko kasi ipo-forward ka niya kay Louie just for para mawala yung bias for someone to have para lang masabi na may nag-interview without bias. Kaya tingin ko ipo-forward ka niya kay Louie. So, but anyway, I will ask him later about kung sino yung sunod na mag-i-interview sa'yo.
Mhm.
And then sir, I saw din nga tiningnan ko yung ano mo, tiningnan ko yung status mo and naka-absent from work nga siya. Pero ang problema kasi ngayon sa system ng Saudi kasi dahil inaayos nila yung system, marami silang mga hanash sa buhay ngayon sa system. Minsan may dalawa kasing sabihin natin na platform ang Saudi government para makita itong issues ng ikama ng mga workers. So, minsan hindi sila tally. For example, kaya nito nakita ko sa Mukim na ang nakalagay dun is absent from work ka. Usually, yung absent from work madaling ayusin. Pero pagpunta sa Kiwa kasi ang Kiwa ito na yung centralized system nila para sa mga workers and employers. So si Mukim parang individual platform lang siya ng government. So si Mukim parang limited lang yung nakikita mo doon na status ng ikama ng workers. Si Kiwa doon yung nandoon na lahat. So for example, may Kiwa, may problema ka sa GOSI, lahat yun mapupunta doon sa Kiwa. So ang problema ko, hindi ko pa siya nakikita ngayon kasi kailangan ko ng OTP at ang OTP ay yung CEO lang yung may hawak. So maybe tomorrow makikita ko. Kasi sometimes nakalagay absent from work. Pagdating doon sa Kiwa, meron siyang ibang problema na hindi mo nakikita sa AppShare mo. So, kaya kailangan kong i-verify sa Kiwa, maybe tomorrow makikita ko siya. So, 'pag may ibang problema other than absent from work, for example, kasi matagal na yung, Kiwa mo, for example, may problema like, work permit has expired, mga gano'n, hindi mo makikita yun sa Mukim, hindi mo makikita sa Kiwa, hindi mo makikita yun sa AppShare mo, nakikita lang yun sa Kiwa. So kung may mga ganoong problema, yun yung magiging problema natin kasi mahirap siyang ayusin. Pero anyway, while hinihintay ko yung CEO kasi hindi siya pumapasok ng Saturday, so hopefully tomorrow, pumasok siya, makita ko kung ano yung real status ng Kiwa mo, then malalaman natin. But anyway, idiretso natin sir sa interview sa next interviewer. Ano po?
No worries, man.
Okay. So, my questions now are basic. Like, I would like to know if, can you speak Arabic?
Mm, just the basic one. Yung konti lang.
Konti lang, just for basic communications. Tama po.
Yes po.
Bali, sir, in summary, ilang taon ka na nag-work dito sa Saudi Arabia?
In summary, it's gonna be two. I'm gonna be turning two by this year, December.
2 years. And hinire ka ng Nabatat directly from Philippines.
Yes.
Okay. And in the Philippines, sir, ilang taon ka na nag-work?
My total experience runs from 10 years. So
Mhm.
less the experience here, it would be 8,
Mhm. Okay. And ilang taon ka na po?
32.
32.
Yes.
Mhm. Single or married?
Happily married.
Happily married. May dependent ka ba dito sa loob ng Saudi Arabia?
Wala naman po.
So, nasa Pilipinas sila. Solo
Hindi.
ka lang dito sa Saudi.
Yes.
How many kids, sir?
I do had one kid.
Okay po. So, wala tayong makikitang dependent dun sa under ng ikama mo. Ano po?
Wala. Kasi status din
Mhm.
ng ikama ko, I think, is single.
Madali na naman ayusin yun, sir. As in, edit ganun lang din. Okay na, tapos na. And, so yun nga, nabanggit ko na yung ikama mo ay with absent from work. Bali, sir, are you having a PRC license of civil engineering?
Yes. I also had a Saudi Council license.
So you have SCE as well. Okay.
Yes.
Until when is the validity of your SCE?
2028?
2028. Okay. So
No,
if ever it will be easier.
no, 2026. 26. Ay,
2026.
mali,
Okay.
27. 27.
2027 validity. Okay.
Mm-mm.
Okay, kasi at least para mas madali. Um, Another one, sir, is aside from nabanggit mo kanina, sir, na ang problema mo sa Nabatat kaya ka umalis kasi maraming mga provision sa contract ninyo na hindi nabanggit, right?
Mm-mm. Yes.
So, ngayon na nasa impact engineering ka, what happened to your ikama? Bakit hindi nila nire-renew?
I think it's the management who's doing the, kasi I worked for them since March and then hindi pa nila ginagalaw. Hindi pa talaga nila
So,
pinapasok.
ibig sabihin, before ma-expire ang ikama mo, you're working with them already.
Yes.
And hindi nila tinransfer ang sponsorship sa kanila.
Hindi nga. Until such time na naging hulog na lang siya.
Did you try to ask your HR about this kung bakit ganun yung nangyari?
We communicated most of the time to them, but we cannot found any answers coming from them or even a reply from the email that we sent from them.
Mhm. Okay. Kasi ang worry ko dito, tingin ko may iba siyang issue. But anyway, tingnan natin hopefully tomorrow para makita sa QA. And wala silang binanggit sa'yo na any details regarding dun sa ikama mo.
They just mentioned that they are going to process it, but on the long run, wala talaga silang ginawa. Because if they're going to process it, there would be a communication coming from them. But since there's no communication coming from them, therefore I conclude that they did not did or do something about it.
Okay. Just
Pasensya ka
for me
ma'am if
to
I'm
have some,
speaking. Pasensya if I'm speaking
yeah, it's okay. I know
English.
it's more comfortable on you. Just for me to have another hint lang. Okay po. Because it can be your ikama. The problem can be because your ikama has problem or their sponsor, the sponsor number has problem. So, can I know if there is anyone sa workmates mo that you know that na may ganito ring problema that they did not transfer sponsorship or
Yes.
they did not renew ikama?
Yes. Ang bagong QC po dito, nagtrabaho na siya 2 months. In the span of 2 months, hindi nila transfer until such time na nahurog na lang.
Okay, so it can
Baka,
be
baka sa
the sponsor
Saudization.
number has problem.
Saudization yun.
Yes, yes. Yeah, it can be one of the reason also kaya. Okay, so I already got the information and this is the most critical one na I always prefer to discuss on the initial interview, especially for Filipinos. Sir, can I know what is your expected salary?
Actually, ma'am, I had an offer that I will be starting this next month that is
Mm-hmm.
mounting to 12,000. Same position that you are looking for. And I can send you the job offer if
The
you want
offer.
to. Oo. Just
Mm-hmm,
to
mm-hmm.
ano lang. So, if given the chance, pwede, it's the same lang nun. Or you will go higher. But um, I know some facts naman para na you will not go beyond and you will not go farther.
Um, yeah, it can be. Pero Engineer Francis is actually fighting over this, that he's saying that we cannot get a tender specialist with a lower salary than 10,000. So that's why he is fighting over it with the CEO. But we will see. Ngayon, sir, itong 12,000 nito is a salary package including food, accommodation, and transportation.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So, we will see, sir, kasi Engineer Francis mentioned to me that possible yung salary mo nga daw is nasa ganito, 12,000. But, so ibig sabihin, sir, since you already have another offer with this amount, does it mean that you will not join our company if we're going to give you an offer below than 12,000?
Here, I think so. Kasi malaki, malaki yung ano dyan sa Riyadh. Ang bahay dyan malapit sa office niyo is around 1,500 yung bahay lang. So, hindi talaga ako mag-go down ng 12,000. Pero
Mhm.
kung kaya niyo mag
Okay.
15,000, I would be happy to accept. Just kidding.
To tell you honest, to tell you honestly, sir, kaya pini-prefer ko na i-discuss 'to, especially sa mga Pilipino during the initial interview. Binibigyan ko na ng gusto kong ayaw ko kasi na ma-waste din yung time and effort kasi I know there are a lot of opportunities for Filipinos outside and with other companies. Na itong 12,000 nito, if ever, this will be the highest na the company can offer. Aside from kasi to tell you honestly, sir, yung para sa mga ganitong posisyon namin, ang range lang ng salary namin is 6,000 to 8,000.
I understand.
So, kaya itong 12,000 itong 12,000 na 'to is napakalaki. Okay, Doc, sir. So, but we are going to see and try. So, since possible kasi, sir, ang pasok pa ng CEO ay hindi ko sure kung papasok siya tomorrow. Most probably papasok siya sa Monday pa. Can we proceed with the PM's interview tomorrow while waiting for the CEO? Kasi kailangan ko i-check sa kanya yung possible job offer sa'yo. Then, kung for example, pumasok siya and sabihin niya, no, we cannot give this amount, then we will stop from there.
Yeah, no problem. I'm happy to talk. Ang gusto ko lang is may makausap.
Oh, that's good.
It's not
Thank you so much, sir.
it's a win-win situation for me if you're gonna ang umabot ako ng ganang point ng interview. So, no problem. Kahit na may rejection, sanay na po ako dyan. I've been applying to a lot of jobs lately and with a lot of rejection. So, if the rejection comes from at the end of this interview or the end of the the line, it's not a problem.
Okay, that's good, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you din kasi you're giving us this chance. Okay po. I think that's all on my side. How about you, sir? Do you have a further question?
Yeah, I think you forgot me. I'm with Ronald lately when we came to your office.
hindi ako masyadong ano.
Yeah, I think, yeah, we came to your office last June, I think, to discuss with, have you heard there was
Sinong Ronald, sir?
Ronald Sala, delegation engineer?
Di Hindi ko masyadong na ano, sir, lately, month of June. Wala akong matandaan na may pumupuntang Pilipino dito.
When there was a group of Chinese came in to discuss with the possible joint venture.
Hmm, hindi ko hindi ko maalala.
Yeah, no worries at all. Well,
So, ibig sabihin, during that time, nandito ka sa Riyadh
yes,
or so kalipat pero March ka pa nasa Jeddah, with Impact Engineering?
lipat-lipat lang. If they have some, ano, sumasama naman ako.
Hmm,
Kasi
business related.
yes,
Mhm. Okay, that's good, sir. Okay, sir, any other question? Hindi ko talaga maalala, eh, wala.
no worries at all. Wala naman po akong, question kasi I got a glimpse po what to do already for this position. So, um,
Mhm,
yeah, so I really don't have any further questions. Na.
mhm. Okay, sir, so with that, sir, I'm going to end this interview,
Thank you so
and thank
much,
you for this opportunity. Yes po, thank you for this opportunity of, having the interview with you. Have a good day, sir. I-message kita sa WhatsApp about the interview tomorrow, okay?
Yeah, sure. Thank you so much. Have a great
Okay.
day. Bye.
Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye-bye.